So today, it's December 23 here in Calgary Stampede. So dito kami manonood ng Glow Calgary 2023.
This is where we celebrated.
Meron ngang bayad.
How much?
$18. Yeah, so may bayad dito sa parking. No discount. Sorry. So ayan, dito to located sa Stampede ground, like what I said. So dito yung mga ano yung mga cable na yun, Dexy, oh. Maganda yung weather ngayon. So our ticket is 4 to 5. So,
That was the line for Stampede.
yes. Yan. So ito dito yung GMC Stadium, oh. Ayan na. Excited ang mga kids. See you inside, guys. So ito, I think ito yung parking. So madali lang. Yeah. Okay.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
Okay, yan na. Excited, Dexa? Ayan, so dito to sa Nutrien Building. Yan. Pag Stampede, dito yung mga, ano yung mga animals, Dexy, no? Yeah, okay. Dexy, can you go first? Yeah. Dexa! Hello! Ayan siya. Here. Wow, that's so cute, Dexa! Dexa, I saw you. It's okay. Okay. You're Daisy?
Should I ask for another one?
Yeah. Do you want to ride na this one? Oh. Yeah. You have to ask for another one. Ang ganda. Yeah. So what's the deal with that?
It's like last year.
Oh, I see. Okay, let's go. Ayan, buti na stop yung music. So dito din yung mga palaruan for the kids. And dito yung parang mga moon na to. Patawag dito. Ayan, so may kumakanta kasi doon, baka makapiright ako. Yan, so ganito ang setup nila this year. Okay. You can go there, the other side. Wow, that's so cute. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, ang cute nito. Ayan. Ayan, so may mga kumakanta dito sa stage. Ganda din ang ano nila. Set up nila this year. Ayan. You make it fun. Okay, Dexa. Ang galing ni ading mo dyan, no? Okay, good job. Oh, that's a nice train, Dexa. Dexa! You want to count? Anong train tayo sasakay? Saan mo gusto? Yan. Oh, na-enjoy yung mga bata. May princess here. You see the princess? Train ride kami. Hi, guys! Wow! There's a small snowman. One more. Hi! Thank you. Okay, we're done. Okay, smile.
Hey, go out, guys.
Okay. Dexa. Okay, walk with ate. Enjoy. Yan, yung mga bata. Kung ano-anong activity ang meron sila. Okay, that's Prancer. Okay. These girls are Prancer. Let's go to the other one. Okay. Uy, ang cute na ito. Oh. Ang cute. It's nice. Iba naman ang kanilang setup this year. So, ganito naman siya. Ayan. May mga pagani-ganito din sila this year. Okay. Let's go. Dexa, go ahead. Balloon design. Ang ganda din nito. Pwede din kayo magpa-photo op here. So, ito. Yan. Yan. So, here. Gusto ko talaga ng puti tsaka blue Dexy sa bahay. Yan.
Blue, white, gold.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Nice ngayon. Ang ganda din ng mga ganito nila this year. Yeah, we will go there. Yeah. Yeah, where's the stamp? Go there. So may stamp daw sila nakita. So Donair. Yun naman ang pangalan ng stamp na to. So Donair. Ayan, so if you are good hand-eye foot coordination, yan. Great dance move. Great dance move. Yan, love wearing colorful things, popular with the elves. Yan siya.
Donner, good hand-eye foot.
Yeah.
Dance move.
Wow.
Popular with the elves. Loves eating spinach.
Okay, you have that? Do you have it? Yan, after here. So, pwede na kayo dito. Let's go.
Now?
Yeah, okay. Okay, yo, that's nice. Gusto ko yung ganito, Dexy, oh. Lalo na kapag puti, tapos blue lahat. Ano. Okay, hold a second. Here tayo. Okay. Okay, Dexy, you can go there. Ate, it's a nice place to take a picture. Okay, dala ba kayo? Gusto niya? Isang place din ang ganda dito. So, lahat, mga 4 auto ops. Ayan. Ayan. So, here muna. Meron daw. Ano yung mga kids here? Meron daw. Ayan sila. It's Vixen.
Can you look at the
Oh, may umiyak na. Ayan. So, are you a Vixen? Yeah. Very smart. Love to be center of attention. Cool, calm, collected. Everyone's confides in. Ayan. Vixen pala to. Tapos kung dami nilang alam na kung ano-ano. Okay, are you a Vixen? There, Dexy. Basahin mo. If you're like that. Oh. Huh? Vixen ka nga. Okay, let's go to the other side, guys. Go here. Okay, here. Wow, ang cute din ito ngayon tayo.
We only took a picture there.
Yeah. Oh, I think this one last year. Yeah. Okay. Oh, ang cute nito.
Let's go now.
Okay, let's take a picture here. Okay, sit down kayo magkapatid. So after this, ang ganda din dito. Yan, so after here, so may ganito din sila. Nagpicture na din kami dito. So ang dami kayong photo ops na pwedeng gawin. Ayan siya. Yeah. Yeah. Yan, so ito din. Ay, ang cute! Yeah. Yeah, okay. Ang ganda din kayo to, bebe, oh. Okay? Okay, sige. Dexa, you want to go there? Okay, go there. Ayan, so pwedeng kumuha ng certificate yung mga anak nyo here. Oh, yeah.
Okay, do you guys want to take a seat? I'll grab you guys some chairs.
Yes, please. Magiging mermaid tong dalawang girls. I will just yeah, wait for them. Thank you. Video. Okay. The other one. Let's wait for the tail of the other one. Okay. Are you guys ready? Oh. Bago ka sa kakangiti. After namin here sa love na to, meron ganito sila. Ayan, may parang gift to eh. And then for Santa na to. Kay Santa na. So I think we have to take a picture here muna before there. Yeah. Ayan. So sino yan? Si Rudolph yan, Dexa. Who is Rudolph? Okay. Are you a Rudolph? Ito siya. Steady worker, helping the elves finish Christmas task. Ganyan-ganyan. Love seeing new places. Uy, ako yan ah. Ayan. Love helping others. Yan ang Rudolph. So, ito siya. Ayan. So, did you get the stamps? So, ilan pa? Naku, makarami pa.
Upside down ang nalagay ko.
Okay, it's okay. So, Rudolph. Where's Rudolph?
It's the beard that's pointing downward like that.
Okay. Saan ba?
Yeah.
Where's Rudolph? Oh, the
Something
here.
like that.
Okay. Go ahead,
That way
Dexa.
the beard is at the bottom.
So, go ahead. There.
Right
Oh,
way.
my.
So I can upside down.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, that's nice, Dexa. Okay, how many mo nagawa? 1, 2. 2 pa. Okay. So, may dalawa pa daw silang hindi nagawa, Daday. Ay, tapos na. So what time you can go there? Okay.
Muna tayo before we go in there.
Meron din dyan, anak ko.
No, na-miss namin dun sa pinakaan yan.
Mayroon doon?
I see, hindi ko lang sana miss namin.
Okay, go here. Sa kabila. Yun siguro. Is there a stop there? Wala ata dyan eh. Yan, ang ganda din dito. May picture si Dexa. Come on. This one is nice too. So while waiting for Santa kami, the kids will go back daw kasi may nakalimutan ata sila.
Let's go, Mommy.
Ah.
Hollywood Studios.
Okay, go. Go ahead. Santa will be here today. So, magpapapicture kami kay Santa here. Ila-line up lang tayo. So, ang ganda din tong place ni Santa na to. Mga reindeer siya dito. Andiyan na si Santa. So, mahaba yung pila here. Ayan. So, we're waiting for the start time. Ready na lahat. Ayan, so, ayan, dito nakapila kami. So, ayan, while waiting for Santa. So, nakapila yung mga dalawa dito. Go ahead, guys. Okay, let's take a photo. Bye! Merry Christmas! Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay. Ayan, tapos na tayo sa reindeer. I think we're done, guys, right? Umuwi na din sila, Sam? Okay, yeah. Okay, we will go here. Let's see this one. So, ito ang laman ng market nila. So, ito siya. Maliit lang naman actually. Yan. So, it's time for them to claim this one. Yeah. So, ano ba to, Dexy?
It was like find all of Santa's like reindeer.
Okay. So, patingin
Like,
ng...
you remember at the front, like where
Oo.
Santa was?
It's Glow Santa's Sleigh Adventure. Yan. So, yan ang activity nila dito sa Glow, Calgary. Glow YYC. Yan. So, yung stamp na yun yung mga activity. And then, ito yung price nila. Yan. Santa Supply. Get 5. Thank you so much. Happy holidays. Yeah. Okay, so nasa nakuha nyo? Macy, guys.
Took two of the lollipops.
Oh, to
I got one and two.
Oh.
One bracelet that you could eat.
Okay.
A bracelet that you could eat and one lollipop.
Okay, and one lollipop. Okay. That's nice. So, yan. Tapos na kami. Diyan lang namin yung view. Yan. Ayan ang market here this year. Ayan. Ayan din. Nagtanggil yung mga iba. Hi, Dexa. Ayan. Ayan si Dexa. Okay, I will take you some photo, Dexa. Napapicture ka na, Dexa? Where's ate? Yeah. Maliit na lang siya no? Unlike nung no, parang lumaki. Ay, parang lumiit siya. Ayan siya. Okay, so we will go na to the place na pwede maglaro si Dexa. So we're done here, Dexy. We're done. We're going home na din mamaya. So ito yun, yung dinaanan namin kanina. Ang cute din nito nila. So, I think, Dexy, come here kayo, oh, guys, oh. Dito kayo lalabas, ang ganda, oh. Yan, go, ah. Okay, go with ate, baby. Baby, go with ate.
Belle got a hat.
Yan, and then, oh yeah, Belle got a hat. Go with ate, come on. Daddy, sige na. Get mo na yan, ah. tapos na kami. So, we're done with the Glow Calgary 2023. Mini donuts. Dexa, cute dyan. Ayan. Cute. Oh, they have a train rolls, Dexa. See, follow the physical distancing floor marker in the train line. Okay? So you have to follow that one, okay? Yeah, I know. So next na tayo. Okay guys, enjoy! Okay, ulit si Dexa. Second time around. Woo! Bilis na ngayon Dexa. Ganda pala sa likod. Nararamdaman ko din siya. Kaso lang may music, di ko din mailagay ito. Malina lang na music at saka may nahilo si ate. Sorry ate, nahilo ka. Hi guys! We're done, Dexa. Okay, bye Glow. See you again. Okay, that's all for today.
Calgary Tower.
Ang ingay naman ni Dexa.
Calgary Tower. Look, the Calgary Tower.
I know. That's all for tonight.
The Calgary Tower is red and green.
I know. So nagutom yung mga kiddos. Yan.
I tell you,
After watching that Glow, ayan, dumiretso kami dito sa the
why do you
district.
keep on saying glow? We're not watching it, we're looking at it.
Yeah, okay. So dito muna kami sa favorite namin na Kinjo. So magraraming kami. Ang lamig ngayon. Lamig guys yan. So Kinjo kami. Oh, parking yan.
Parking ba yan?
Parking natin yan. Ha? Napakaswerte natin parking. Yeah, it's parking.
Parking ba siya?
Ayan, tama-tama. Oh, diretso kami. Wow! Ate, let's go. Maraming tao. Baka mag-order lang naman yung iba. They have breakfast here also. Ayan.
Smell yummy already.
Yeah. Smell yummy na daw. Yummy na?
Taste yummy already.
Okay. So, nag-order na si ate.
You need to get used to your California. You had that earlier.
Yeah, California.
Oh, do you want to try the dynamite one?
Tingnan nyo yung makain nyo.
Earlier.
Meron sila. Daddy, tingnan mo kung may order tayo iba. Bean cake.
Oh yeah, I want bean cake and
Gusto
then
nyo yan? Matamis ata yan.
bean cake and California.
Ayan. Huwag na masyado kasi gabi na guys, okay? Konti lang yung order natin.
California, California.
Yeah, California.
Oh, si mamaya, you can start noodles mo na lang mamaya kainin mo.
No.
Oh, so you will wait for other food?
I don't want to waste my favorite time.
Shrimp tempura for Dexa again.
Everything's mine. It's mine.
Okay, Dexa, don't hold it. Yeah. So, ayan yung ibang order ni Dexy. Ayan. So, maglagay kayo ng
Wag muna.
space sa noodles, ha?
Wag muna na.
Can you start na to eat that one, Dexy, if you like?
Wait for that.
Yeah, okay. Takoyaki naman kay Dexy. Oh my. Kanya-kanyang order.
You got humans because they move it.
Kain na na. So, ito yung favorite namin dito. Okay. Enjoy, guys. Oh, busy na. Okay. Kain muna kami. So, our dinner for tonight, guys, is $62.34. Okay. Sino ang nagsayang ng food niya? Hindi niya kinain ng noodles. Sino? Okay, you have to pay all. Give me your money. Yung money mo na yun, walaan na kasi, ano ha? Hindi yung kinain. Hindi na tumapad sa usapan. You did not follow the instruction that you have to eat everything that we order. So, we will offset your money here. She will pay all the food that we eat because you did not eat the noodles. So next time, you don't have to order noodles, okay? So you're not eating everything. What? Mula. Sige, that's all for tonight. Hindi nga lang masyadong kita pero itong bahay namin.
Don't talk.
Sa pinto natin na may ilaw din.
Ha?
Sa pinto natin na may ilaw din.
Oo, may ilaw din siya. Ah, may ilaw ba yun? I don't think so na nakabukas. Ayan. So, gabi na kami nakauwi. It's already 9 p.m. Yeah. Oh, I see. Okay.